Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Bull. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Binance account permanently. I will show you two options how you can do it. First thing what you will obviously need to do is go to your Binance account or your Binance, guys, and once you are in Binance, as you can see currently I'm doing my KYC verification. This is not for you guys, but still you can delete or disable your Binance account. First way is if you go here on this icon, this is your profile icon, and you click into security. Here on this page you will find, if you scroll at the very bottom, account activity, guys. If you click into this disable account, guys, you will get redirected to this page, but this will not delete your account. This means that if you will use this option, guys, you will be only disabling all these features and you will disable your account for some time. But for example, if you would like to delete your account permanently, all you need to go is go back to your Binance homepage just by clicking on Binance logo, guys, and here in the right bottom corner you will see this support icon. Click here in this support, and once this support opens up, this is usually at the very start managed by their bots. Here at the very bottom you click on this get support, click on there, guys, and here at the very bottom you type in how to delete my Binance account. Once you type in how to delete my Binance account, press enter, guys. So you just ask them kind of how to delete your Binance account, and this will open up, and then you scroll down and see here at the very bottom of this first conversation, which is managed by bot, as you can see at the very top, guys, Binance bot. Here you will see this click here to delete account. If you click there, guys, you will get redirected to this web form. And this web form is another web form which you will need to fill out for Binance to ask them that you want to delete your account. As you see, guys, delete account application. Please fill out these instructions, guys. Here you can read the instructions. Here you do your valid ID. You provide some documents to prove that this is you who are deleting or who is requesting this. Add all documents here which are required. Here you can add some additional information. You click submit and this will go for the review, guys. I already contacted Binance support. I talked to them why this takes so long, where there is no one option where I can simply go in and delete my account, guys, and they replied me that this is for the purposes of money laundering, so you have to apply for it, and this your data will be stored with them anyway. Even if you will delete your account, guys, they will still be storing your data of your trading activities, so this is just safe for them. So if government asks or requires some data about you, so they can provide data about you that you haven't been involved in money laundering while using Binance. So yes, guys, this is pretty much how you can delete your Binance account. Hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.